I hear you don't want to fork out some cash for a brand new webcam. Today I'm going to show you how you can use your smartphone and turn it into a webcam for free. To get started, there are two things we need to go ahead and do. Firstly, you need to make sure that you download OBS. There will be a link in the description down below. And then you need to open up the website called VDO.NINJA. This is the website we're going to be using to actually get our phone camera onto OBS. Step number one is setting up our phone as a webcam. So go ahead to the link in the description down below. Again, that website is VDO.NINJA and click on Create a reusable invite. So we're going to name this iPhone as webcam, and we are going to go ahead and click generate invite link. Now we need to go ahead and open up the camera app on our phone and just scan that QR code. Open it in your browser, and that is going to connect your phone to the web service. Once that web page loads, you're going to get an option to say share your camera. I'm going to click yep, share camera, and click allow. And as you can see, there we are. Now that we've set up the link between this website and our phone, we need to go ahead and set up the connection from the phone to OBS to show our camera on OBS. So what we need to do is we need to go ahead, stay on this page and click the link where it says OBS browser source link. Click copy. Now inside OBS, we need to go ahead and make a new source and make sure it's a browser source. Let's go ahead and name this iPhone camera. Perfect. It's going to open up a field that looks like this, and we're going to paste the link right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and do 1920 by 1080. So once we do go ahead and import our camera, you can actually see it's rotated in the opposite direction. I'm going to show you how to fix that very quickly. So go ahead and double click your camera, and we're just going to go and swap these values around. So the width is going to be 1080 and the height is going to be 1920. Click OK. And then what we're going to do, make it smaller and right click your webcam. Click transform, and what we're going to do is rotate 90 degrees clockwise, and there we have it, our webcam. So as you can see, it's looking pretty good. Now that you do have a webcam in OBS, we do need to do some more tweaking with that webcam to make it just look a little bit better. Check out the video on screen now where I go over a few tips to help you improve your video and webcam quality on OBS.